Since I was working full time, I had to devote time over the weekends to mock tests, which I took from the official study material, and also analyze them consistently to know my weak areas so that I could focus more on them.
When I had to prepare for NMAT by GMAC, I took advice from my friends. I talked to a lot of people who had already given it. So once I spoke to them, they gave me a lot of advices, but I picked the advice that I liked the most, which was that attempt your exam, give you a lot of mock tests, but give them during the slot in which you want to give your NMAT. So I'm a morning person and I wanted to give it in the morning slot, so I used to attempt the mock test during the morning slots in my own house. So that put me in the habit of giving those exams, and I experienced an upward growth in my scores.
Pursuing my graduation in economics, the course line for the NMAT exam actually aligned with it. So for the first early steps that I had taken for the preparation of NMAT, I used the official guide and then took a few mocks and understood how my preparation is and where I actually stand. Following which, I learned from my mistakes and took further exams, which led to an improvement in my scores. Moreover, the NMAT exam involves time management skills. So for 120 questions involved, we basically focus more on the course that we are actually have a strong point in, and later for the weaker points, we give more time to it. Thus, time management is essential for this preparation, and if we take a few more mocks, then we can pass the exam with flying colors.
Worked on the basic concepts first, and then I referred to the NMAT study material to work on those areas which required a little attention. I also signed up for the test series that are available on the official website of NMAT.
So NMAT doesn't require a lot of expertise in general. Most of the questions in the paper are 10+2 level. So as long as you're going through the NMAT official guides and through the sample papers available on the NMAT website, this should be more than enough. To add on, you may even refer to some of the competitive exam books which are there on the MBA level for all the B schools. Even that will help you out.